Which Indian state is home to the GI-tagged fruit, Amalsad chiku? Option A, Odisha. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Assam. Option D, Bihar. Correct answer. Option B, Gujarat. Which country hosted the 50th G7 summit? Option A, Italy. Option B, Canada. Option C, Germany. Option D, France. Correct answer. Option A, Italy. The 10,000th Farmer Producer Organization in India was registered in which of the following locations? Option A, Chhindwara District, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Khagaria District, Bihar. Option C, Bikaner District, Rajasthan. Option D, Udupi District, Karnataka. Correct answer. Option B, Khagaria District, Bihar. The Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram was built by which Pallava king? Option A, Narasimhavarman I. Option B, Mahendravarman I. Option C, Narasimhavarman II. Option D, Simhavishnu. Correct answer. Option C, Narasimhavarman II. Guru Ghasida's Tamor Pingla Tiger Reserve, India's 56th tiger reserve, is located in which Indian state? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, Rajasthan. Correct answer. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Which of the following is also known as suicide bag of the cell? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, lysosome. Option D, ribosome. Correct answer. Option C, lysosome. India's first glass pedestrian bridge is located in which location? Option A, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Option C, Munnar, Kerala. Option D, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Correct answer. Option A, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Who established the Satya Shodak Samaj in 1873? Option A, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Option B, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option D, Jyotirao Phule. Correct answer. Option D, Jyotirao Phule. Which NASA mission is designed to conduct the first all-sky near-infrared spectroscopic survey to study cosmic inflation, galaxy evolution, and the ingredients for life in space? Option A, Punch. Option B, Artemis II. Option C, Sphere X. Option D, OSIRIS-REx. Correct answer. Option C, Sphere X. Which fintech company recently launched India's first fully automated loan disbursal service via WhatsApp, offering instant unsecured loans to salaried professionals? Option A, Paytm. Option B, Rupee 112. Option C, Navi. Option D, MoneyTap. Correct answer. Option B, Rupee 112. In the YouGov India Value Rankings 2025, what position did Amul secure among the most valued brands in India? Option A, first. Option B, second. Option C, third. Option D, fourth. Correct answer. Option C, third. When was the National Mission for Manuscripts launched by the Government of India? Option A, 2003. Option B, 2007. Option C, 2011. Option D, 2015. Correct answer. Option A, 2003. Janbeel Mela, a unique festival known for its traditional barter system, is celebrated in which Indian state? Option A, Assam. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Option D, Manipur. Correct answer. Option A, Assam. The 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution, known as the Anti-Defection Law, was added by which constitutional amendment? Option A, 42nd Amendment Act, 1976. Option B, 44th Amendment Act, 1978. Option C, 52nd Amendment Act, 1985. Option D, 61st Amendment Act, 1989. Correct answer. Option C, 52nd Amendment Act, 1985. Which of the following cricketers is not one of the official ambassadors for the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Option A, Sarfaraz Ahmed. Option B, Tim Southey. Option C, Shikhar Dhawan. Option D, Michael Clark. Correct answer. Option D, Michael Clark. Which bill was introduced to modernize and replace the 169-year-old Indian Bills of Lading Act, 1856? Option A, Carriage of Goods by Sea Bill, 2024. Option B, Indian Maritime Trade Bill, 2025. Option C, Shipping and Logistics Regulation Bill, 2025. Option D, Bills of Lading Bill, 2025. Correct answer. Option D, Bills of Lading Bill, 2025. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? Option A, 1851. Option B, 1884. Option C, 1901. Option D, 1919. Correct answer. Option D, 1919. Under the Atal Pension Yojana, what are the minimum and maximum monthly pension amounts that a subscriber can choose to receive after the age of 60? Option A, 1000 rupees and 5000 rupees. Option B, 2000 rupees and 5000 rupees. Option C, 1000 rupees and 4000 rupees. Option D, 2000 rupees and 4000 rupees. Correct answer. Option A, 1000 rupees and 5000 rupees. The Dumhal is a traditional folk dance of which Indian region? Option A, Sikkim. Option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Option C, Rajasthan. Option D, West Bengal. Correct answer. Option B, Jammu and Kashmir. The first five-year plan in India was primarily based on which economic growth model? Option A, Solo Growth Model. Option B, Mahalanobis Model. Option C, Herod-Domar Model. Option D, Keynesian Model. Correct answer. Option C, Herod-Domar Model. Which of the following is not an allotropic form of diamond? Option A, graphite. Option B, amorphous carbon. Option C, coal. Option D, fullerenes. Correct answer. Option C, coal. At the IFA Awards 2025, who received the Best Actor Award? Option A, Kartik Aaryan. Option B, Varun Dhawan. Option C, Ranbir Kapoor. Option D, Vicky Kaushal. Correct answer. Option A, Kartik Aaryan. Who is the author of the book, Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Option A, Ramachandra Guha. Option B, Srinath Raghavan. Option C, Shashi Tharoor. Option D, Amitav Ghosh. Correct answer. Option B, Srinath Raghavan. Which insurance company launched the She Tara initiative focused on women's health and empowerment? Option A, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Option B, Tata AIG General Insurance. Option C, SBI General Insurance. Option D, Star Health and Allied Insurance. Correct answer. Option D, Star Health and Allied Insurance. Which Bollywood actor has launched Prismix, an AI-based media company focused on innovative content creation? Option A, Akshay Kumar. Option B, Hrithik Roshan. Option C, Ajay Devgan. Option D, John Abraham. Correct answer. Option C, Ajay Devgan.